We'll guide you through how to make curved text in Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the Alight Motion app on your device. Once you reach the home screen, press the Create New Project button at the top of the screen. A project settings menu will appear. Adjust the settings according to your preferences, then press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Inside your new project, tap the plus button located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Select Text to add a text layer to the timeline. After creating the text layer, type the text you want to curve inside the text box. Once you have entered your text, adjust the alignment based on the style you prefer. Next, open the font menu and choose a font that fits your design. After selecting a font, adjust the text size so it is clearly visible on the screen. You can also customize the color of the text by opening the color settings and choosing any color you like. After setting up the text, select the text layer and open the Effects section. Press Add Effect to access the effect browser. Inside the browser, locate the Distortion and Warp category and open it. From the list of effects, find Bend and apply it to your text layer. Once the Bend effect has been added, open its settings. Change the origin option to left. Then adjust the angle value until you see the text begin to curve. The higher the angle value, the stronger the curve will become. To create a smoother and more balanced curve, duplicate the Bend effect. Open the settings of the duplicated effect and change its origin option from left to right. Adjust the angle value of the second Bend effect until the text forms the curved shape you want. If the text shifts away from the center while adjusting the effects, open the Move and Transform controls and reposition the text back to the middle of the screen. Once everything is aligned properly, you have now successfully created curved text in Alight Motion using the Bend effect.